Hi, it's Nathaniel from Z Innovations, and today I'd like to have a little bit of a backstory on the product we designed and developed in Australia for Australians and North America. I'm a Silverado owner myself. I did this out of the love of wanting to build a product, the best product we could build for the customer, for everyone to enjoy their Silverados. We've gone for a more OEM look, landscape design, following the design philosophies of GM, not the vertical design screen. We've also worked on audio quality, going through AUX, so we don't have that delay in audio. We spent 2 years working on this, design, development, hundreds of CAD drawings, hundreds of tests. After months and months of searching, we found the best manufacturer and partner overseas to work with to create this product for everyone worldwide. In a moment, we'll jump in the car and go through the 12.3. Z Innovations have the sole distribution rights for this screen worldwide. It's not like the other screen on the market that you'll see on Alibaba, eBay, 10,000 different sellers. You can only get it from us. If you do see it somewhere else, it's an unauthorized or copied product. So now we'll jump inside the Silverado and we'll just go through a few features. We've had videos out before, but we'll go and have a look at this. We've now got the full production model that we can go and show you. So now we'll go through the new Silverado screen. So we've now got full production. We've already started sending stock out and fitted approximately 15 already in Australia. So going through, we've redone all the home displays. We've actually made the screens bigger, but not sacrificed on aspect ratios. That was a big thing for us, was to make sure aspect ratio was correct. We've transferred all the factory buttons, AC, all the buttons below. We really pushed towards an OEM look, keeping those factory controls, not pushing your AC controls up to the screen. Bit of muscle memory. If you've had your truck for a few years, you can put your hand down, you know where it is, everything's good to go. So in the Z Innovations truck, we've actually now got in the 12.3. This has been designed to tow, haul. Think of the system as a continuation of the factory system, Factory Plus. That's how we've designed it. It's not big and flashy. It does the job, what customers want, what we wanted, what we had spoken to with people in Australia, approximately 7,000 people in a forum. We asked questions, people answered. This is what they wanted. So with our unit, you can put a SIM card in it, log in on your OnStar account via Wi-Fi, log in through the car interface. Our system is the only one on the market that you can split screen your factory interface and an RV camera. Any camera on the market, you can put onto this one. We could go through, we've done it all before, all the apps that you can put on it, anything you can find in the Google Play Store. Again, this thing has been designed, developed in Australia over the last 2 years by a Silverado owner for the Silverado community. We hope you like it. Shoot us a message. Any questions, we're happy to answer, and hope to see them in your truck soon.